Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on Windows. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the WhatsApp here from your web browser. So just type WhatsApp and basically we need just to go to the download WhatsApp link. So instead of going to WhatsApp web, we need just to go to the download, and from here you will need just to click on download. And now you can have the download link of WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can, as you can see, you can require uh, uh, WhatsApp from the Microsoft Windows Microsoft. So basically, let's just go to the Microsoft Store, and from here we can search for WhatsApp and we can require or acquire our WhatsApp app. So let's search for WhatsApp, and from here we can find our WhatsApp app, and you will need just to click on open because I already have it. And in your case, if you don't already have it, you will find the get button. You click on the get and it will start downloading and installing automatically, and then you will start having your WhatsApp app that will be available on your Windows. And as I said, we can also just download this here and click on download, or if you don't use any download manager on your PC, you will find it here on the downloads. And basically you will need just to search for it, and you will need just to double click on it, and WhatsApp will start installing automatically, and you will be able to synchronizing your WhatsApp, your mobile WhatsApp with your desktop one or your web app. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.